What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. Hold up, guys. I gotta show you this. Oh, Lambo, Rich. Anyways, as you can see with the homie Nick, we linked up again. He's back from Texas 2K. I missed him very, very much. I don't know if you missed me.
I saw your comment.
Yeah, G, missed you. It was weird not having you here for like the whole weekend, or yeah, it was like 4 days we were gone. It was crazy. We were literally bored. We had nothing to do.
Nick, you gotta start hitting the gym and eating. You got a Nate Diaz build.
A Nate. That would be a good thing, no? Nate Diaz. I mean, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, Nick is back from Texas 2K. We're about to meet up with the homies. There's the other homie right there. Arion in the E92 M3. It's an E9X day. This is why you need an E9X, bro.
I know.
Missing out. Anyways, guys, Nick is gonna pick up his pistola. That's in Spanish, his gun. And we're gonna pick it up. We're gonna go photo shoot with the E92s. I need some content for my Instagram. Like I always tell you guys, I always like to post myself once in a while here and there, just to let the people know who is Life with KG. What's up, G? How are you?
Buy another gun today?
What?
Ariana got all the guns on.
Let's do it. We need this motherfucker done, bro.
Why do you have to say that? Why do you have to say a bad word, bro?
Oh, my bad. You do
Why can't you just say
shit?
this sexy daddy needs a gun?
Bro, I'm not gay like you do, bro.
Anyways, guys, Nick is gonna go pick up his new Glock. He's got a Glock in the... Nope, Glock in the Beamer. Got a Glock in the Beamer.
Bro, let's get you one, bro.
What?
Let me feel that shit.
That's just sick as fuck.
Bro, they're on fucking Alibaba. They're $100.
Are they?
How much did you pay?
Come feel it. Come feel this.
Why be scared to let us out? But this is sick.
No fucking way. Wow.
I feel like you're
Holy
bullshitting, but he's
shit.
such a cap.
No, I'm not even kidding. I'm about to order 3 of them.
For a
I
past
wanted to
couple
see how it feels, G.
months. See how what?
The battle.
Hey, stop, dude.
Yo.
Bro.
Yo.
He always on some weird shit,
Do
bro.
you want a new set or no?
He's making me like blush and shit.
Do you want a new set or no?
Hey, is he cute?
What?
Yeah, guys, the homie Arion's. How? How do you have CarPlay in the E92? Our cars are too old, G.
No.
Arion's E92 M3 is clean. Competition. Hey, is jet black or dress black?
Lime rock black.
Stupid. Hey, you want to swap headlights? I want the OEM ones, but I want the orange rings again.
Let's do it.
I'm low-key down. GT3, GT3. Rich. Big ballers.
What?
It already looks crazy, the screen.
So what? You take out the 2 bolts here. You remove the old one.
Oh my, what the?
Just watch. So watch.
What?
NSX, bro.
I put that.
Oh shit.
So watch. The CarPlay.
Bro.
Look at the CarPlay, and then
Make sure this is your address.
No way, so you have CarPlay in the E92, that's crazy. And it's touchscreen.
and it's touchscreen and it's like
Yeah, the screen is clean, everything.
Spotify, no lag, no nothing, bro.
Hey, you wouldn't sell me this one?
I'll sell it to you.
How long it takes to install it though? Bro, that's so sick. I need this.
1 hour.
I literally need this.
Even order fucking Chick-fil-A, whatever. And check this out. This is the best feature. So you click on menu in the middle. So you get this like menu. You click original cart interface.
Oh, and it goes back to your...
It's all back.
No way.
And then like you can do anything you want, whatever. And then you want to go back, you just touch the screen. CarPlay.
Oh my god.
No lag, no nothing.
All right, guys. So Nick picked up his gun.
My GAT.
Your GAT. Your Glock.
My Ratata. Remember that shit?
Yeah.
Bro, lose those little keys, bro.
I wish I could have filmed it in there, guys, but they got hella guns in there.
Yeah, sometimes they're a little strict. We gotta come back when Ariel's home there.
And
And he'll let us record, hold them, all of it, and everything like that.
also, the gun is in the trunk.
He's all scared, bro.
I ain't trying to get caught up with that shit.
The gun's legal, everything's good.
It's
I took
legal?
the test.
You passed?
I passed.
You failed?
Bro, it's so easy, I swear to God.
Is it?
The test is literally like, you don't even need to study, bro. It's common sense.
Really?
They ask you stuff like, let me see, where's the best direction to face a gun to? At somebody, at the sky, at the ground, or like that. What would you put it?
What are the options? At the person? At the sky?
Yeah. Like
What
where should you always face a gun, like when you're not using it? At the sky, at somebody, or at the ground?
At the ground, no?
Of course. Like there's just stuff like that, you know, like super easy things.
At your opponent? That's crazy.
But you should do it. Take the test.
Bro, moved to LA.
Got a gun.
Got a Rolex.
We need a gun, G.
Honestly, yeah, I feel safe. Because you'll protect me.
I'll protect you, G.
Sheesh. E9X boys. Very clean. Alright guys, got a cool little building here. Nick is gonna be the one taking the photos. We're gonna have Aryan's car in the photo shoot as well. Figured why not? Fuck it, have both of the M3s in there. Leave the headlights on. Sheesh, we got the Hellcat. Okay. Ooh, we got the brand new M2. It's like my boy John's. Almost like my boy John's. They got the same exact color too. But I think he has the yellow DRLs on his. And then we've got an 812. I think there might be a Cruise. Okay, we got the C63. How do you guys feel about the new M2s? I feel like a lot of people are still not used to the new body style. But like I said before in the vlogs a bunch of times, I think if you mod them right, like they look pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, this rear end, damn, look at that spoiler. I've never seen a spoiler like that. That shit's huge. It's color matched to the car and then it fades into carbon. I like that, that's pretty cool. And it's a 6-speed, look at that. That's pretty sick. It's so funny, this X-Frame is modded like crazy. Sheesh. Damn, we got the Ferrari 812 Rich. Damn, that's just so nice, bro. Oh my gosh. Damn, we got the Shelby. This thing was ripping it up and down. Still pull it right now, but all the carbon on the hood, that's just sick. Seats are sick too. The carbon wing. Damn, that shit nice, dude. I think it's probably like the only Mustang I take. And then we got the C63. It's so funny because this generation C63 goes head on with my E92 M3. And I believe this one is faster. They're both V8, but I know like this is more of like a straight line car performance wise. Like this is just straight line, and the E92 is more like canyons and track. But they're both really good cars. They're both sick. They're both just different. But yeah, this generation C63 and my E92 M3 go head to head. But what would you guys take? The E92 M3 or the C63? All right, guys. I think they want to go for like a little drive. Hit some tunnel runs. Bro, this Mustang is crazy, dude. That Mustang is crazy. Martin SUV. Look at the taillights, bro. That shit's hard. God damn, bro. This interior is insane. Look at that. You got blue interior. Rich. That's crazy. Damn, that just sounds crazy. Look at the underglow on them too. All over Nick. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe and the like button. Turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.